dips can be done with a wide grip for the chest, a narrow grip for the tricep, or a regular grip for a nice balance between chest and tricep. Jump up onto the bars, keep the core squeezed tight, keep the butt squeezed throughout the movement, and keep the chest up. Notice how we only lower our body until the upper arm is parallel with the bar. Any lower and we risk injuring the shoulder. A beginner may lack the strength to conduct this exercise with their body weight, and if that's the case, a resistance band can be used to help assist the exercise. Start with a thick resistance band and slowly work down to a thinner one until eventually you have the strength to phase it out and complete the exercise with body weight. Some commercial gyms may have a dip machine that allows you to select the weight to help you on the exercise instead of a resistance band.